Dear viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel Global Flash, and we informing you latest earthquake update. Mexico National Seismology Survey reported a magnitude 4.4 quake in Mexico near Puerto Escondido only 17 minutes ago. The earthquake hit in the morning on Tuesday, 22 February 2022 at local time 9 am at a very shallow depth of 4 km. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculation. Thanks for watching Global Flash.